Close all unnecessary applications that are open in the background while Riot client is downloading or updating, including Discord. After a few minutes after ending unnecessary applications, the download speed of LoL launcher will start to increase. If the problem persists, we can move on to another suggestion. To do this, open the Processes menu by running the Task Manager and select the application you want to close and click on the End Task option. If the priority of the Riot client program is behind compared to other applications, we may encounter such a problem. For this, we can change this setting with the help of the Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Let's expand the menu by clicking on the More Details option at the bottom of the screen that opens. Then right-click on the Riot client application in Actions and click Go to Details. After this process, right-click on the Riot Client Services.exe application and select Hide by moving your mouse over the Set Priority option. If the download continues in the background, stop the download and perform the process. After completing the process, you can start the download and check if the problem persists. We can eliminate the problem by registering another DNS server on the computer. For this, let's change the DNS setting by following me in the video. After performing the DNS change, you can check if the problem persists. Disable any antivirus program you use or delete it completely from your computer. If you are using Windows Defender, disable it. For this, in the Start search screen, type Virus and Threat Protection and open it. Then click on Manage Settings. Turn Real-Time Protection to off. After this process, you can start the download process and check if the problem persists. The firewall might be blocking the Riot client. To prevent this, we will need to allow the Riot client application from the Windows Defender firewall. In the Start search screen, type Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Click on Allow an app or feature to bypass Windows Defender Firewall on the left side of the screen that opens. Click the Change Settings button in the menu that opens. After clicking the button, the Allow Another Application button below will be active. Let's click this button. Let's open the file location I listed below by clicking the Browse button on the screen that opens. Then we add the folder I accessed in the video by doing the same. After performing these operations, restart the Riot client program by pressing the OK button and check if the problem persists. I hope the suggestions in the video led to the solution of the problem. You can subscribe to support the channel by liking the video. Thank you for your support.